Hello everyone, today I'm going to review the new NJ gas stove. The model NJSD has a stainless steel surface and two powerful burners. They are equipped with safety device which will allow you to use the cooker indoors, as it will cut off the gas supply when the flame goes off. It also has an automatic piezo ignition, which means that you don't need a match or a lighter to lit the burner up. It has cast iron pan supports and an additional kettle support for coffee and tea. You can use this cooker in your home, but it can also be applied for professional use, as it is very powerful and it can withstand heavy, large cookware. Please pay attention of the dimensions of the appliance, as they are not standard. Assembly of the cooker, you would need to put the rubber legs underneath. We have already done the 3 of them, but we're going to show you how to put them on. It's simple and easy. You don't need any tools to do that. You have to put the pan supports. Make sure that the cooker is placed on a firm, steady surface. And you just put the pan supports like that. This is the additional kettle support. You can place it here or here, it doesn't matter. In order to connect the cooker to the gas supply, you would need a gas bottle for LPG, which is propane or butane mix, with compatible gas regulator and a flexible rubber hose. You need to connect the gas appliance using a rubber hose and a Jubilee clip. You connect the hose to the outlet of the gas appliance. Make sure it's all the way, and then you put the Jubilee clip and tighten it up with a screwdriver. Once you have reassembled the cooker and you have connected it to the gas supply, you can start using the appliance. All you need to do is press and turn the knob anti-clockwise until you hear a clicking sound. This is the piezo ignition. Now we're going to show you the correct combustion of the cooker. As you can see, the flames are different, and they shouldn't be. The one is the blue flame, steady flame, which is the correct one. This is the proper way to use the cooker. This looks more like a fire, and basically you can regulate this flame until you get that bluish flame. You just need to adjust the air shutters underneath the burner until you get the blue flame. This will ensure that you're using the cooker properly and safely, and you will also get low consumption. In order to get to the air shutters, you need to remove the pan supports, lift a little bit the appliance, and you can see them underneath the burner. So you can adjust them left to right until you get the blue flame.